Touch the keypad to activate the lock and follow the steps in app. Touch to unlock. Hold to lock. Once the door lock is linked to the app, the system will automatically generate an administrator passcode. You can modify the administrator passcode according to your needs. You can set different types of passwords according to your needs. Please follow the steps in app. You can set different types of fingerprints according to your needs. Please follow the steps in app. You can unlock the lock using either your fingerprint or passcode. The initial administrator passcode is 123456. If you have never linked the app before, you can change the administrator passcode according to your needs. You can set a 429-digit password according to your preference. The setup process is cyclical. Press unlock sign again to exit setting mode. Please press your finger on the fingerprint reader 5 times to enroll your fingerprint. The setup process is cyclical. Press unlock sign again to exit setting mode. You may modify the current user passcodes as needed.